So what are some of my properties of ionic bonds? Well, they tend to have high melting point and boiling point because, again, there's a large amount of energy that's required to overcome the strong electrostatic forces of attraction between the oppositely charged ions. It's also very strong and hard, again, due to the electrostatic forces of attraction. However, one unique thing about ionic bonded compounds is that they are very brittle. This is because the lattice structure usually alternates between the oppositely charged ions. If you put a force, to make the layers of ions slide, it will lead to repulsion. This repulsion, as shown by the diagram over here, will lead to massive repulsion and it will break apart the whole ionic lattice. Hence, it is very brittle. It is also a non-conductor of electricity in the solid state because the ions are in fixed positions in the lattice structure. Remember, they're held together by strong electrostatic forces of attraction. So because of this, there is no mobile charge carrier, so it cannot conduct electricity. However, your ionic compounds are conductors of electricity in the molten or aqueous state. It's because in these states, your ions are more mobile, and they can actually act as mobile charge carriers. Next, your ionic compounds are also known to be soluble in polar solvents. This is because they form very favorable keyword ion-dipole interactions that are between the ions and the water molecules. This interaction is actually strong enough to compensate for the breaking of the ionic bond.